Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. This is our first long video on the channel of AstroTerrace. I myself is new into this kind of field, so if the processed image is not good, then sorry. So in today's video I'm gonna tell you how to process the picture of moon as a beginner, like you can see on my desktop. So first you will need video. I'm gonna tell in simple steps. You will need a simple video. Like you can see, it should be at least of 30 seconds or even more. But 30 seconds is a good thing for a beginner if you have a manual telescope. Now you will need a software called PIPP. I will provide the link on description of every software I use in this video. So now you're gonna add that image file, as you can see here. So before processing it, we're gonna have to do some kind of changes. So you're gonna go to the call it a processing option, maybe. First you're gonna go to output option, select it, the AVI file, and then go to the input option, maybe. Sorry about it. You're gonna first do it. Now click the option solar lunar full disk. And now you can have that option. Just now if you have an image like this, like the video I have in my right area, so you're gonna make it try different thing. You will find something soon. As you can see, 500 by 500 isn't that great. So you're gonna try to your image to me in a same thing. Okay, so 600 by 600 is good for me. Go to the quality option. There's nothing for us here. Now go to the AVI file and do processing. Now make sure to take this one, or if you know where it will process, then leave it. Then I will start the process. It have currently 1878 frames, so it's gonna be taking some of the time. In our next video I'm gonna tell you about the full close-up view of moon. So this is gonna be fun videos nowadays. So after processing, it will kind of do this, and after that it will automatically open. So you can close the paper right now. Here you can see, and here you can see that it's at least 644 MB. Now let's see the stable image we had. Yep, it seems like a bad image, but it isn't. So now you're gonna open AutoStakkert. Now I am using AutoStakkert 3, but nowadays the 4 had come too, but I don't actually understand that one. So that's why I'm using this old version of PIPP. AutoStakkert. You might get an image maybe like this, so you're gonna just zoom out like this. Now you're gonna click on analyze, and yep, you can see all the settings. You can pause the video and do your settings same as that. So now click on the analyze option. It's gonna take just few seconds to actually analyze the image, the best frames. Now you can see what is going on. So at the back, here is the worst frame you have, and at the first you have the best frame you have. But you can see there that here are the best frames which you can actually get, like this one. This is 900 frame you can get. So I'm gonna make it like some 936 frames and make it 50. Now you're gonna place the API grid. I do not recommend to put 24 or 48 for an object like moon. You can put 104 or 200. Right now I'm gonna put the 104 one. And if you see the missing things like these craters, so you're gonna do it manually like I am. Now because it's done, we're gonna click on the stack. So now let's stack image. It's gonna take some while, and so I will come after the process, after the stacking of it. So the stacking has been completed. It was pretty faster. It can take some time to you because of some problems, like here are the 3 folders that it created. So let's just close this AutoStakkert. Now you will go here and see the image. Now you can see that it's much stable, but it's so much pixelized. I'm also gonna tell you how to fix that thing. So you can also see this one frame. This is also a good one. This is so, and also a 50% frame. I'm gonna process this one. So I'm gonna rename this. You cannot even rename it. So I'm gonna write process and put it in on my desktop. Now you will need an application called Registax and an update file for it. It will be provided there. So you can see how good can you process the images. Now what are you gonna do is gonna select the image, go to the desktop and process, search intensity level, click on yes, and now we have to, now you can do this thing on your Photoshop, but I would recommend to do it here because I actually kind of sucks on the, so you are gonna like, so you're gonna go to here, functions option, go to view zoom, and you can see much more. So here is all of the thing. Now I'm gonna focus on the creators because the main thing we need to do is creator. So now you can test the multiple options. So I'm gonna start doing it soon. You can already see that the level of detail it is making. So doing it low and high can make the image even better. Okay, I'm gonna make this one low one, this one a bit low. Sorry, the second one. You can test multiple. You can see the thing it's doing itself too. Okay, so now you can also test the histogram one, like this one option, histogram. You can make image some kind of, do some detail kind of stuff or whatever you want, and make sure to see the audio. I would recommend to not even touch this option. Click on do all image and then save the image. You can also try multiple methods for processing. So now I'm gonna 1 2 3. Now let's close it, and here it is our one of the image we have got. Now my normal photos is not, so I'm gonna use the Microsoft Paint to show you the final image. As you can see, it's pretty good, but it's too much pixelized, like there are so much pixels here. So to fix those, you're gonna open your Chrome browser. Although you can also use any of your any kind of your you need, but I would recommend to use, I'm gonna also provide the link of description of this one. It's enhance.io. It can give you kind of do this. So now you're gonna click on Smart Enhance. You can see this 1.5 MP. Although it's taken from a 108 MP camera. You're gonna click on Start Processing. It's gonna take some time, like depending on your internet speed. You're gonna wait for some seconds. If you are a pro person, so you can also remove the pixel from the Photoshop, but I actually don't know how to use that, so that's a big problem. And yes, you got it. The image is processed. Now you're gonna save the image like 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 3. And one thing you need to understand is that they will put some kind of their watermark because we are using their software, but don't worry about it. I'm gonna tell you how to remove that. So go to edit with paint, go to here. Now let's see what the image is. Okay, you can see that the pixels are removed. I mean not removed, but are very less now. Now seeing it seems really good, really good. So now you're gonna go here and let's just do the thickness higher and then just paint here the black. And here is our final result. Let me just save and show you all what have we made. You can also touch some of the thing here. Oops, some error. Okay, so let's just do it. Save as an image. Select final result. And here we have our final result of the image. We actually some. Now let me change the background and you can see here. That's a big thing I did so, but here's our processed photo. Now that's an easy tutorial. You can do some of the touch-ups on Photoshop or even test your more frames that you capture. Like we used our 936th frame. You can also test the 50% frame that we have here. As you can see, I have some less noise. It can be processed much better than that all. Or you can use the first frame, which is the best one in that. And I have used this first frame here, like here, this one. It's not that much good, it's still better. So if you like the video, then make sure to subscribe my channel, because I am being in this field for just few time, and I hope the tutorial I made is easy for you all. Thank you.